Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Salsabila Sofia.
And I'm Alia Inanta Aurelia.
We are from SMIT Cahaya Bangsa. We would like to present our research under the title Psychosocial Support Model in Young Psychological School for Adolescents Mental Health at SMIT Cahaya Bangsa.
The Minister of Education and Culture Circular Number 4 of 2020 explained that one of the techniques used in learning during this pandemic is involve the psychological and social function of student or teacher through an activity known as psychosocial. Psychosocial is a type of support that aims to ensure or promote psychosocial well-being and or prevent or overcome mental health problems. Mental health is described by WHO with 4 main indicators. DANI 2020, when self-potential is realized, the individual has activities that are felt to be useful, able to work productively, and blessing, that is, individuals are able to produce good work that is beneficial to themselves and others. Resilience to preserve, namely being able to respond to all forms of challenge with positive attitude and behaviors and remaining productive, able to contribute to the environment, namely being able to share knowledge, skill, expertise, and good impact on others. What is psychosocial? Psychosocial service can be provided by anyone who has received professional training. Achieve the goal. Psychosocial service requires several steps to achieve the goal of stabilizing and psychologist and social condition of a person who is receiving psychosocial service. The early psychological and social service levels are explained as follows. Basic service and security, community and family support, non-specialist open support, specialist service of clinical disorders.
Research methodology. There are 3 variables in this study, namely mental health, psychosocial assistance, and young psychologist extracurricular. The research subject were SMIT Cahaya Bangsa students who were members of the Young Psychologist Extracurricular Program. This research used a descriptive exploratory method. The approach used in this research is qualitative research. The instrument and data collection were carried out through the following process: documentations, interviews, observations, documentations, and questionnaires. To analyze the data using qualitative descriptive analysis technique. Going to description of the Young Psychological Program. The following are some material topics present in psychosocial material. The first, identify the psychological condition of students or adult scale. The second, emotion regulation. And the third is counseling. Of psychosocial support on students' mental health. The first, The students were very helpful, especially in solving the problems they each have. The second, students can say things or tell stories about what they have experienced and felt through writing. The third, students have been able to sort out behaviors that make it difficult and easy for them. The fourth, who are familiar with the counseling process, have also been able to help other students in solving the problems they have through the youth counseling process. The fifth, students can also more easily regulate emotions and are less afraid in some pressing situations or circumstances. Social support model. The first is counseling by school psychologists, the second, peer counseling, and the third is preparing students to be active listeners. The conclusion is the psychosocial support model in young psychologists' extracurricular activities really helps SMA IT Cahaya Bangsa students create emotional stability in their daily teaching and learning process. Students are also helped in creating mentally resilient and can help provide solutions to peers who experience psychological problems. From us,